हेलो बच्चों, ये चैप्टर क्लास 10 चैप्टर 12 इलेक्ट्रिसिटी से है। और इस चैप्टर में जितने भी इम्पोर्टेंट फैक्ट्स हैं वो हम पढ़ेंगे। तो कॉपी पेन निकाल लीजिए और नोट करते जाइए क्योंकि इसमें से मोस्टली चीज आपके बोर्ड में आएंगी। स्टार्ट करते हैं इलेक्ट्रिसिटी। सबसे पहले पढ़ते हैं चार्ज क्या होता है। चार्ज इट इज एन inherent property of the body due to which the body feels attractive and repulsive forces. There are two types of electric charge, positive and negative. Like charges are repelling each other, unlike charges attract each other. Number 2, conductors and insulators. Those substances through which electricity can flow are called conductors. All the metals like silver, copper, aluminium, etc. are conductors. Those substances through which electricity cannot flow are called insulators. Example: glass, ebonite, rubber. Most plastics, papers, dry wood, etc. are insulators. Electrostatic potential. The electrostatic potential at any point is defined as the work done in bringing a unit positive charge from infinity to that point. Potential is denoted by the symbol V and its unit is volt. A potential of 1 volt at a point means that 1 joule of work is done in bringing 1 unit positive charge from infinity to that point. Next point, potential difference. The amount of work done in moving unit positive charge from one point to another in the electric field is known as potential difference. Potential difference equal to work done upon charge. If W joule of work has to be done to transfer Q coulomb of charge from one point to another point, then potential difference V between the 2 points is V equal to W upon Q. The SI unit of potential difference is volt. इसकी ड्राइव यूनिट होगी जूल पर कूलम. 1 volt. 1 volt is defined as the potential difference between 2 points in a current carrying conductor. When 1 joule of work is done to move a charge of 1 coulomb from one point to another, therefore 1 volt equal to 1 joule upon 1 coulomb. Voltmeter. The potential difference is measured by means of an instrument called voltmeter. The voltmeter is connected in parallel across the points where the potential difference is measured. A voltmeter has high resistance. 6. Electric current. The electric current is the rate of flow of electric charges in a conductor. If a charge of q coulomb flows through a conductor in time t second, then the magnitude of the electric current flowing through it is given as current I equal to q upon t. The SI unit of electric current is ampere and it's denoted by a letter A. Electric current is a scalar quantity. Ammeter. Current is measured by an instrument called ammeter. The ammeter is connected in series with the circuit in which the current is to be measured. An ammeter should have very low resistance, low internal resistance. वोल्ट जो एमीटर है वो सीरीज में यूज होता है. वोल्टेज सेल. It is one of the earliest devices which are capable of providing a continuous flow of electric current. It is used for converting chemical energy into electric energy. It was invented by Volta in the year 1800. Ohm's law. At constant temperature, the current flowing through a conductor is directly proportional to the potential difference across its end. If I is the current flowing through a conductor and V is the potential difference across the end, then according to Ohm's law, I proportional to V. This can also be written as V proportional to I. V equal to IR. प्रोपोर्शनल हटाते हैं, इक्वल लगाते हैं तो कोई कांस्टेंट यूज करते हैं. यहां कांस्टेंट है R. R क्या है? इट इज द रेजिस्टेंस ऑफ कंडक्टर. The value of this constant depends on the nature, length, area of cross section and temperature of the conductor. Resistance of a conductor. The property of conductor due to which it opposes a flow of current through it is called resistance. The resistance of conductor is numerically equal to ratio of potential difference across its end to the current flowing through it. That is, resistance equal to potential difference upon current. R equal to V upon I. The SI unit of resistance is ohm, which is denoted by symbol ohm. 1 ohm if V equal to 1 volt, I equal to 1 ampere, then R equal to 1 volt upon 1 ampere equal to 1 ohm. Thus, the resistance of a current conductor is said to be 1 ohm if 1 ampere current flow through conductor when a potential difference of 1 volt is applied across it. Next point. Factors affecting the resistance of a conductor. The resistance of conductor depends, number 1, on its length, second, on its area of cross section, third, on the nature of its material. Next point, resistivity. It has been found that the experiment that 1. The resistance of given conductor is directly proportional to its length, R proportional to L. Second, the resistance of given conductor is inversely proportional to its area of cross section, R proportional to 1 upon A. By combining the equation first and second, R proportional to L upon A. अब proportional remove करेंगे, then put the sign of equal, then it will be R equal to rho L upon A, where rho is called specific resistance or resistivity of the conductor. When L equal to 1 meter, A equal to 1 meter square, we have rho equal to R. Thus, the resistivity of conductor is the resistance of unit length and its area of cross section of the conductor. The SI unit of resistivity is ohm meter. सॉरी, थोड़ा सा डिस्टर्ब हो गया ये। यहां से फिर स्टार्ट करते हैं। कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ रेजिस्टेंस। द रेजिस्टेंस कैन बी कंबाइंड इनटू टू वेज। रेजिस्टेंस दो तरह से हम कंबाइन कर सकते हैं, एक तो सीरीज में और एक पैरेलल में। सीरीज में पहले ये दिखाया है। सबसे पहले सीरीज में इसका डेरिवेशन करते हैं। सीरीज में करने के बाद किस तरह का फॉर्मूला डेरिवेट होता है। तो सीरीज ऐसे एंड टू एंड इसे कनेक्ट कर लेते हैं, जैसे R1, R2, R3 रेजिस्टेंस दिखाया है इस तरह। और जो टोटल रेजिस्टेंस होता है वो आपका फॉर्मूला आएगा R इक्विवेलेंट टू R1 प्लस R2 प्लस R3। स्टार्ट करते हैं। इन सीरीज द टोटल पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस कितना होगा? V इक्वल टू V1 प्लस V2 प्लस V3। अप्लाइंग ओम्स लॉ टू द एंटायर सर्किट, V इक्वल टू IR होता है। On applying Ohm's law to each resistance separately, we have V1 equal to IR1, V2 equal to IR2, V3 equal to IR3. From equation 1, 2nd, 3rd, we have IR equal to IR1 plus IR2 plus IR3। तीनों से ले लिया इक्वेशन फर्स्ट, सेकंड, थर्ड से। तो V इक्वल टू IR होता है, तो V इक्वल टू क्या आया था इसमें? IR1 प्लस IR2। तो V इक्वल टू IR यहां पुट कर दिया, तो R I से I कैंसिल हो गया और R इक्वल टू आया R1 प्लस R2 प्लस R3। ये फॉर्मूला आ गया आपका सीरीज का। अगर सीरीज में रेजिस्टेंस है तो सीधे सीधे उनको ऐड कर दो। दूसरा तरीका है पैरेलल, जैसे हमने यहां दिखाया है R1, R2, R3 कनेक्ट हैं रेजिस्टेंस पैरेलल में। तो पैरेलल के लिए फॉर्मूला आएगा 1/R1 प्लस 1/R2 प्लस 1/R3, इस तरह। इन पैरेलल क्या होगा? पैरेलल में पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस सेम रहेगा, I चेंज होगा। तो I हम निकालेंगे। I क्या होगा? आई 3 जगह डिवाइड होगा, R1 जाएगी, R2 और R3 3 जगह आई डिवाइड होगी। तो टोटल आई कितनी है? I1 प्लस I2 प्लस I3। वैल्यू पुट करेंगे तो पहले R1, R2, R3 तीनों के लिए आई कितनी होगी? ओम्स लॉ से हम ये फाइंड कर लेंगे। R1 के लिए होगा I इक्वल टू V अपॉन R1 इस तरह, I2 के लिए होगा V अपॉन R2 और R3 के लिए होगा I3 के लिए होगा V अपॉन R3। तीनों इक्वेशन को ऐड कर देंगे तो I इक्वल टू आया V अपॉन R1 प्लस V अपॉन R2 प्लस V अपॉन R3। I इक्वल टू होता है V अपॉन R, V से V कैंसिल हो गया, इधर से कॉमन लेकर के बचा आपका 1 अपॉन R इक्वल टू 1 अपॉन R1 प्लस 1 अपॉन R2 प्लस 1 अपॉन R3। अगर पैरेलल हो तो इस फॉर्मूले से टोटल रेजिस्टेंस फाइंड किया जाता है। नेक्स्ट है इलेक्ट्रिक पावर, द रेट एट विच वर्क इज डन बाय एन इलेक्ट्रिक करंट इज नोन एज इलेक्ट्रिक पावर। पावर इक्वल टू वर्क डन अपॉन टाइम, P इक्वल टू W अपॉन T, और W इक्वल टू होता है VQ अपॉन T। द वर्क डन बाय द करंट I when it flows for time t under a potential difference V is given by W equal to VIT, because W equal to VQ and Q equal to I। वैल्यू पुट करेंगे आ जाएगा। पुटिंग द वैल्यू ऑफ W इन इक्वेशन 1, V है P इक्वल टू VIT अपॉन T इक्वल टू VI। P इक्वल टू आई स्क्वायर R, बिकॉज V इक्वल टू IR, V की जगह IR रख दीजिए तो आया आई स्क्वायर R। और पावर का तीसरा फॉर्मूला हो जाएगा P इक्वल टू V स्क्वायर अपॉन R, क्योंकि I इक्वल टू होता है V अपॉन R। द यूनिट इलेक्ट्रिक पावर इज वॉट, तो पावर की जो यूनिट होती है उसको बोलते हैं वाट। तो पावर इक्वल टू होती है P इक्वल टू VI, जनरली यूज करते हैं। तो हो गया वोल्ट, 1 वाट इक्वल टू 1 वोल्ट इंटू 1 एम्पियर। वोल्ट एम्पियर को वाट बोलते हैं। Thus, if a potential difference of 1 volt causes a current of 1 ampere is flow through a wire, the electric power consumed is 1 watt. Electrical energy, electric energy equal to power into time, E equal to PT. The electrical energy consumed by an electrical appliances depends upon number 1 power rating of appliance, number 2 time for which it is used. The SI unit of electrical energy is joule. 1 joule is amount of electrical energy consumed when an appliance of 1 watt is used for 1 second. Commercial unit of electric energy जो जनरली यूज होती है, kilowatt hour is the commercial unit of electrical energy. 1 kilowatt hour is the electrical energy consumed when an electrical appliances have 1 kilowatt power rating is used for 1 hour. Energy equal to PT, इसे किलोवाट आवर में यूज करेंगे एनर्जी को। तो 1 किलोवाट आवर इक्वल टू हो गया 1 किलोवाट इंटू 1 आवर। 1 किलो मीन्स 1000 वाट, वाट रखा, और आवर हो गया सेकंड में 60 इंटू 60, मल्टीप्लाई किया तो आया आपका 3.6 इंटू 10⁵, तो 10⁶ जूल। नेक्स्ट Heating effect of current. When an electric current is passed through a high resistance wire, it becomes very hot and produces heat. This effect is called the heating effect of current. कोई भी चीज इलेक्ट्रिक की होती है, गर्म हो जाती है चलते चलते, इसी को इलेक्ट्रिक हीटिंग इफेक्ट ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक करंट बोलते हैं. When an electric charge Q moves against a potential difference V, the amount of work done is given by W equal to Q into V. But current I equal to Q upon T, तो Q equal to हो गया IT. From Ohm's law, V equal to IR. Now putting all these value in equation 1. We have work done I square RT. This work done is converted into heat energy for maintaining the flow of current I through the conductor for T second. Heat produced equal to I square RT joule. Application of heating effect of current. In electrical heating appliances, all electrical heating appliances are based on heating effect of current. For example, appliances such as electric iron, water heater and geysers, room heaters, toasters, hot plates are fitted with heating coil made the high resistance wire such as nichrome wire. Second, electric filament of bulb. The use of electric filament bulbs, ordinary electric bulbs, is also based on the heating effect of current. Inside glass shell of electric bulb, there is a filament. This filament is made from a very thin high resistance tungsten wire. Then current flow through this filament. It gets heated up. Soon it becomes white hot and starts emitting light. अब कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस हैं, ये आपको याद होने चाहिए जिनके आंसर. क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट, डिफाइन इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल. इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल एट अ पॉइंट in an electric field is defined as the work done in moving unit positive charge from infinity to that point in the electric field. Question number 2. State the relation between work W, charge Q, potential V. Answer: V equal to W upon Q. Question 3. What is the SI unit of electric potential? Answer: volt. Question number 4. Define 1 volt electric potential. Answer: electric potential is said to be 1 volt if 1 joule of work is done in moving 1 coulomb charge from infinity to a point in the electric field. Question number 5. Is electric potential is scalar or vector physical quantity? Answer: electric potential is a scalar physical quantity. Next, what is meant by potential difference between 2 points? Answer: work done per unit charge in moving a unit positive charge from one point to another point in an electric field is called potential difference between 2 points. Question. Name the instrument used to measure the electric potential difference. Answer. Voltmeter. Next question. Write down the relation between the potential difference between 2 points A and B in a conductor. Work done W in moving a unit charge from point B to A and charge Q. क्वेश्चन दूसरा है इसी में, स्टेट द रिलेशन बिटवीन वर्क, चार्ज एंड पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस फॉर एन इलेक्ट्रिक करंट. और क्वेश्चन ऑप्शन है, एक्सप्रेस वर्क डन इन एन इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इन टर्म्स ऑफ चार्ज एंड पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस. अब ये सभी क्वेश्चन एक जैसे हैं, लैंग्वेज अलग है, तो इसका आंसर होगा पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस क्या है, वी ए माइनस वी वी. ये पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस हो गया दो पोटेंशियल का, इक्वल टू डीवी. डी होता है छोटे से वोल्टेज का डिफरेंस, डी डिफरेंस के लिए यूज होता है, या माइनस लगाइए या डी यूज करिए. तो पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस डीवी इक्वल टू हो गया डब्ल्यू अपॉन क्यू. दिस इज पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस वर्क अपॉन चार्ज. ये लिखने का तरीका है. Question number 9. Mention the factor that maintains the flow of charge through a conductor. Answer. Potential difference across the end of conductor. Question number 10. Define electric current. Answer. Electric current is defined as the amount of electric charge flowing through any cross section of a conductor per unit time. Question. Write down the relation between electric current I passing a conductor charge Q flowing in a conductor and time t. Or write the relation between Coulomb and Ampere. तो आंसर इसका है I इक्वल टू क्यू अपॉन टी. देयरफॉर I इज एम्पियर, Q है 1 कूलम और T है 1 सेकेंड. तो कूलम पर सेकेंड इसकी यूनिट हुई, एम्पियर या कूलम पर सेकेंड एक ही बात है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. स्टेट द relation between the current I passing in a conductor, number of electron n flowing through a cross section of conductor, magnitude of charge on electron and time t. आंसर है I इक्वल टू n e अपॉन t. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. स्टेट SI यूनिट ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक करंट. आंसर एम्पियर. Next question. Define 1 ampere electric current. Answer. Electric current through a conductor is said to be 1 ampere if 1 coulomb electric charge flows through a cross section of a conductor in 1 second. Question number 15. How is the direction of electric current related to the direction of flow of electrons in a wire? Answer. The direction of electric current in a wire is just opposite to the direction of flow of electrons in the wire. Question. Name the instrument used to measure electric current in a circuit. Answer. Ammeter. Question. How is ammeter connected in the circuit to measure electric current? Answer. Ammeter is connected in series in an electric current. Question. How is voltmeter connected in the circuit to measure electric potential difference? Answer. Voltmeter is connected in parallel across a conductor or resistance in the electric circuit. Question. Define Ohm's law. और क्वेश्चन इस तरह भी हो सकता है, स्टेट द लॉ दैट gives the relationship between the potential difference V across the two ends of a conductor and the current I flowing through it. Answer. Ohm's law states that the electric current flowing through a conductor is directly proportional to the potential difference across the end of conductor, provided the temperature and other physical conditions of conductor remains the same. V equal to IR. Next question. Define electrical resistance of a conductor. Answer. It is the property of conductor to oppose the flow of electric charge through it. Resistance of a conductor R equal to V upon I, where V is the potential difference across the conductor and I is the conductor flowing through the current. I is the current flowing through the conductor. Question. State SI unit of resistance. Answer. Ohm. Question. The resistance of a conductor is 1 ohm. What is meant by this statement? Define, या क्वेश्चन ऐसे भी हो सकता है डिफाइंड 1 ohm रेजिस्टेंस, तो इसका आंसर ऐसे ही लिखेंगे दोनों के. The resistance of a conductor is said to be 1 ohm if a potential difference 1 volt across the end of the conductor makes a current of 1 ampere to flow through it. Question. What is the shape of the graph obtained by plotting potential difference applied across a conductor against the current flowing through it? Answer. A straight line passing through the origin and has current slope. Question. What is the name of physical quantity which is equal to V upon I? Or name the physical quantity whose unit is volt per ampere. Answer. R. इसका आंसर है रेजिस्टेंस. तो रेजिस्टेंस इक्वल टू होता है V अपॉन I. क्वेश्चन. व्हाट डज द स्लोप ऑफ VI ग्राफ एट एनी पॉइंट रिप्रेजेंट? आंसर. स्लोप ऑफ VI ग्राफ इक्वल टू 1 of resistance of conductor. Therefore, slope of VI graph represent physical of Therefore, slope of VI graph represents reciprocal of the resistance of a current conductor, resistance of conductor. That is question. What happens to the resistance of a conductor when temperature is increased? Answer. Resistance of conductor increases with the increases in temperature. Next question. The voltage current VI graph of a metallic current at two different temperature T1 and T2 is shown. Which of two temperature is higher and why? या क्वेश्चन ऐसे हो, the voltage VI graph has a metallic current conductor at two different temperature T1 and T2. It's shown in figure. At which temperature the resistance is higher? इस तरह का ग्राफ दे दिया जाए T1 T2 VI ग्राफ में, तो आंसर वीआई ग्राफ रेजिस्टेंस ऑफ मेटेलिक कंडक्टर, जो स्लोप है वो वीआई ग्राफ का है, रेजिस्टेंस ऑफ मेटेलिक कंडक्टर से स्लोप जो आईवी ग्राफ है एट टेम्परेचर T2 इज ग्रेटर, क्योंकि स्लोप ग्रेटर है तो टेम्परेचर। इसमें ये ध्यान रखना कि जो इस तरह ग्राफ दिए जाते हैं जिसका स्लोप ज्यादा होगा वो जिसका टेम्परेचर भी ज्यादा होगा। तो T2 का स्लोप ज्यादा है इसलिए T2 का टेम्परेचर भी ज्यादा होगा। क्वेश्चन नंबर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, हाउ डज द रेजिस्टेंस ऑफ अ वायर vary with its cross section area? Answer, resistance of wire is inversely proportional to its cross section area. More is cross section area of a conductor, less is the resistance of the conductor. क्रॉस सेक्शन एरिया ज्यादा होगा तो रेजिस्टेंस कम होगा। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, state the relation between the resistance R of a conductor, resistivity P of a conductor, length L of a conductor and area of cross section A of a conductor, or write an expression for the resistivity of a substance. Answer, R equal to rho L upon A या rho equal to RA upon L, where R is resistance, A is area of cross section, L is the length of a substance. Question, what is electrical resistivity? Answer, electrical resistivity of a material is defined as the resistance of an object of unit length and a unit area of cross section. Question, state SI unit of resistivity. Answer, ohm meter. Question, a wire resistivity rho is pulled to double its length. What will be its new resistivity? Answer, new resistivity will also be rho, because resistivity of wire does not depend on its length. Next question, you have a metal insulator or an alloy. Write these substances in the ascending order of their electrical resistivity. The electrical resistivity, metal less, more in alloy, and most in resistivity in insulator. Next question, n resistance of n resistors, each of resistance are first connected in series and then in parallel. What is the ratio of the total effective resistance of unit series combination and parallel combination? Answer, in series NR होगी, पैरेलल में R अपॉन N, रेशियो निकालेंगे RS अपॉन RP, सीरीज एंड पैरेलल में तो NR अपॉन R अपॉन N इक्वल टू N स्क्वायर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 35, you have two metallic wires of resistance 60 and 30. How will you connect these series to get the effective resistance 20? Answer, in parallel. इसमें ये 20 नहीं है, 2 ओम है, तो इन पैरेलल, इनको पैरेलल कर दीजिए, 2 ओम निकल आएगा। और देखो क्वेश्चन में 60 और 30 दे रखे हैं तो 20 आंसर आएगा। 6 और 3 दे रखे हों तो 2 आएगा। तो यहाँ पर जो आंसर है वो 6 और 3 लिया गया है, 60 और 30 नहीं लिया गया, इसलिए यहाँ 2 आया है। 60 और 30 लिया जाता तो 20 आंसर आता। तो ये ध्यान रखना है इसमें। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, ड्रॉ ए schematic diagram of circuit consisting of battery of 2 cells each of 1.5 volt, 50 resistors, 100 resistors and 150 resistors and a plug key all connected in series। अब ये इसमें रेजिस्टेंस लगाए हुए 5, 10, 15। अब यहाँ पर ऊपर ये देखो पॉइंट नहीं लगाए क्वेश्चन में, ये मिस्टेक रह गई है यहाँ। तो 50 नहीं है, वहां 5 है, यहाँ 10.0 है, यहाँ 15.0 है, तो 15 हुआ। तो इसे इस तरह दिखाएंगे। क्वेश्चन नंबर 37, व्हाट इज हीटिंग इफेक्ट ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक करंट? आंसर, the production of heat in a conductor due to the flow of electric current through it's called heating effect of electric current। Next question, write down the relation between heat produced H in a conductor of resistance R through which current I passes for t second। Answer, H equal to I square RT। Question number 39, state Joule's law of heating। Answer, according to Joule's law of heating, the amount of heat produced in a current conductor is number 1 directly proportional to the square of electric current passing through the conductor, number 2 directly proportional to the resistance of a conductor, 3 directly proportional to the time for which electric current passes through the conductor। Next question, write the mathematical expression for Joule's law of heating, name one device which work on this principle। Answer, H equal to I square RT, an electric heater of electric bulb work on Joule's law of heating। Question, what is meant by statement that the rating of fuse in circuit is 5 ampere? Answer, it means maximum current 5 ampere can pass through the fuse without melting it। दोबारा पढ़ देता हूं। It means maximum current 5 ampere can pass through the fuse without melting it। Question number 42, name the material used for making the filament of a bulb। Answer, tungsten। On electric energy and electric power। Next question, define electric energy। Answer, it is defined as the work done by a source of electricity to maintain electric current in an electrical unit। Question, define electric power। Answer, it is defined as the amount of electric energy consumed in an electric circuit per unit time। Next question, name the physical quantity expressed as the product of potential difference and electric current। Answer, electric power। Question, state SI unit of electric power। Answer, volt into ampere या watt। Question, Name the unit used in selling electrical energy to consumer. Kilowatt hour. The दूसरा क्वेश्चन, what is the commercial unit of energy? Kilowatt hour. Next question, which one is having lesser resistance? 60 watt, 40 watt. आंसर, पावर इक्वल टू होता है V स्क्वायर अपॉन R, तो R इक्वल टू 1 अपॉन P, जिसमें V कांस्टेंट है. Hence the bulb of higher voltage watt will have less resistance. In other words, resistance 60 watt bulb is less than the resistance of 40 watt. तो जो 60 watt है उसका रेजिस्टेंस कम होगा. Question, what is the difference between kilowatt and kilowatt hour? Kilowatt is the unit of electric power and kilowatt hour is commercial use of electrical energy. Question, why an ammeter likely to bump without if you connect in it parallel? दूसरा क्वेश्चन, why is series arrangement not found satisfactory for domestic light? आंसर ए का, फर्स्ट का, ammeter is a low resistance device. If it is connected parallel, a large current flow through it. Hence, large heat is produced and it may burn the ammeter. Ammeter खत्म हो जाएगा, खराब हो जाएगा, जल जाएगा. दूसरा आंसर बी, if domestic lights are connected in series, then all lights will be switched off even when only one light fuse. Next question, draw diagram to show series and parallel combination of resistance. State 3 silent feature each of both combination. आंसर देखिए ऐसे दिखाते हैं, इसमें सीरीज लगा है पहले में, पैरेलल लगा है दूसरे में. अब इसके साइलेंट फीचर्स कौन से होंगे? नंबर, सबसे पहले सीरीज का ही समझते हैं. द नेट रेजिस्टेंस ऑफ द कॉम्बिनेशन इज इक्वल टू द सम ऑफ द रेजिस्टेंस ऑफ द इंडिविजुअल रेजिस्टर. Second, the current flowing through each resistor is same. 3, the voltage applied across the series combination of resistor is equal to the sum of potential difference across the individual resistor. अब दूसरे, silent feature of parallel combination. The reciprocal of net resistance of combination is equal to the sum of the reciprocal of resistance of individual resistor. Second, different amount of current flows in each resistor. तीसरा, the potential difference across each resistor is equal to the voltage applied across the combination. Next question, why is the tungsten used almost exclusively for filament of electric lamp? Or why is tungsten used for the filament in electric bulb? अब ये देखो बहुत दफे आया ये क्वेश्चन, Answer. This is because melting point of tungsten is very high, about 3380 degrees Celsius, and it does not oxidize or burn even at higher temperature. Next question. Why do copper or aluminium wires usually used for electricity transmission and distribution purpose? Or copper and aluminium wire are usually employed for electricity transmission. Explain reason. आंसर है, दोनों का एक ही आंसर है. आंसर. The resistivity of copper and aluminium are very low, so electric current flows easily through them. Hence, copper and aluminium wire are usually used for electricity transmission and distribution purpose. Next question. Should the heating element of an electric iron be made of iron, silver or nichrome wire? Or list 2 reasons why nichrome is used for making heating element of electrical appliances. Answer. It should be made of nichrome wire because number 1, resistivity of nichrome is greater than that of iron and silver, so more heat is produced in nichrome wire due to the flow of current. Next, melting point of nichrome wire is greater than that of iron and silver, hence it does not melt easily on heating. Number 3, nichrome wire does not oxidize easily even at higher temperature. Next question. 2 identical immersion heaters are to be used to heat water in a large container. Which one of the following arrangement would heat the water faster? Connecting the heaters in series with the main supply. Number 2, connecting the heaters in parallel with the main supply. Heat produced in a heater when connected in main supply. तो heat equal to होता है V square upon RT when identical heaters I having the same resistance are connected in parallel. Their net resistance decreases as compared to when connected in series. Therefore, heaters connected in parallel would heat the water faster as the heat produced in parallel combination is more than the heat produced in series combination on electric energy and electric power. सीधा सा मतलब है पैरेलल यूज करेंगे तो जल्दी गर्म कर देगा. Next question. What is commercial unit of electrical energy? Express it in joules. Or define 1 kilowatt hour. How is this unit of energy released to 1 joule? Or establish the relationship with 1 kilowatt hour and SI unit of energy, joule. Answer. Commercial unit of electrical energy is kilowatt hour. 1 kilowatt hour is the amount of electric energy consumed by 1000 watt electrical appliances when operates for 1 hour. 1 kilowatt hour equal to 1000 watt into 3600 second equal to 1000 joule per second into 3600 second equal to 3.6 into 10 raised to power 6 joule. Question next. Two electrical bulb A and B are marked 220 volt 40 watt and 220 volt 60 watt respectively. Which one of the two has greater resistance? तो इस फॉर्मूले से हम बता देंगे कि 40 जो वाट है जिस पर लिखा है उसका ज्यादा रेजिस्टेंस होगा। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, डिफाइंड इलेक्ट्रिक पावर। A device of resistance R is connected across the source of V voltage and it draws a current I. Derive an expression for power in terms of voltage and resistance. Answer. Electric power is defined as the amount of electrical energy or electric energy work or electric energy per unit time. If W be the amount of electric energy consumed in a circuit in T second, then the electric power is given by P equal to W upon T, W equal to PT, P equal to VI होता है और इसमें फॉर्मूला लगा देंगे, हो जाएगा सरल। फिर ओम्स लॉ इसमें लगा देंगे तो डिफरेंट फॉर्मूला आपके बन जाते हैं। अकॉर्डिंग टू ओम्स लॉ V इक्वल टू IR फ्रॉम इक्वेशन 2। दूसरी इक्वेशन से देखेंगे, इसमें इक्वेशन नंबर 2 यहाँ है P इक्वल टू VI और P इक्वल टू VI में इसमें फॉर्मूला लगा देंगे। IR का I स्क्वायर R हो गया और I स्क्वायर R में फिर V अपॉन R I इक्वल टू V अपॉन R होता है, वो लगा देंगे फॉर्मूला तो V स्क्वायर अपॉन R आ जाएगा। तो ये फॉर्मूला बन जाएगा P इक्वल टू VI इक्वल टू I स्क्वायर R इक्वल टू V स्क्वायर अपॉन R। यूनिट ऑफ पावर वाट होगी इसकी। तो इसी के साथ ये मोस्टली आपके क्वेश्चन इसमें जो भी चैप्टर के थे वो हमने कवर कर दिए हैं। वीडियो कैसा लगा हमें कमेंट करें और नोट्स जरूर इसके याद कर लें, क्योंकि मोस्टली जो क्वेश्चन बोर्ड में आते हैं वो हमने यहाँ पर ले लिए हैं। अब कुछ न्यूमेरिकल्स हैं वो आपको प्रैक्टिस करने पड़ेंगे और इसके लिए मैं आपके लिए एक अलग से वीडियो बना रखा है, पहले से पढ़ा है यूट्यूब पर, और इसके साथ फिर मैं और दूसरा वीडियो बनाऊंगा, उसकी लिंक इसके साथ दे दी जाएगी। आप इसे क्लिक करिए, देखिए।